Part 2. Economics and Society. The deeper logic behind the Guokao boom. Yunshu Guanlan 3.7 enter the civil service exam. Behind the choice of the times. Content. Many attribute the Guokao boom simply to the Iran Rice Bowl appeal. Yunshu Guanlan prefers to state a more honest truth. It's not that civil service jobs have become better. It's that other paths have become more difficult. Economic shifts, the true driver behind the Guokao heat. 1. Real estate is no longer a reservoir. For the past 2 decades, much employment and wealth expectations came from real estate and its supply chain. When this chain breaks, upward mobility for the middle class contracts. 2. Private enterprises enter a low growth era. It's not that companies aren't working hard, but profit margins are shrinking. Labor costs are rising. Uncertainty has increased. For individuals, this means effort no longer guarantees predictable returns. 3. Young people face a low expectation society for the first time, and a high growth society. Taking risks is rational. In a low growth society, seeking certainty is equally rational. The civil service exam is not a fantasy. It is a reassessment of risk. 3.7 million competing for 30000 positions. What does it really mean? Many are shocked by the average 98:1 competition ratio. Yunshu Guanlan argues the more important question is, why are so many willing to engage in what seems like an irrational gamble? The answer is simple. The hidden risks of other paths are higher. Layoffs in private companies are immediate risks. Entrepreneurial failure is irreversible. Industry cycles are risks individuals cannot control. While the civil service exam is harsh, its rules are transparent, public, and one-off. In today's context, this becomes a calculable risk. Guokao, more than a career choice. A social signal. When the most capable, diligent, and young segment of society converges on a single path, it sends a signal. Social security is shrinking. Channels for upward mobility are narrowing. Individuals' tolerance for long-term uncertainty is decreasing. This is not the fault of young people. It is a structural characteristic of the era. Yunshu Guanlan's judgment. How long will this tide last? From a macro perspective, as long as the following conditions remain. Employment structure does not create large-scale new growth opportunities. Confidence in the private economy is not substantially restored. Middle-class expectations remain conservative. The Guokao boom will not subside. It is not an emotional trend, but a collective choice calculated with rationality. Conclusion. Understanding the Guokao is understanding the times. Yunshu Guanlan believes data is only the surface. The choices beneath reveal the true texture of the era. Yunshu Guanlan, observing shifts in trends, examining individual choices,